Hey guys, it's me, Program Now here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install another very major IDE, Visual Studio. We are going to use it for C++ and just C++. So, here we go. If you have seen my previous video in which we installed our PyCharm and Android Studio, this process is similar, but in this we have to deal with something called workloads. So I'm going to show you what to do. Now in Google, just search Visual Studio, and once you search this top result, visualstudio.com, just go inside it. The latest version is 2017. So here just download the community because this is free, rest are not free. So now just download it. Now it should download, but for me, as I have already downloaded it, I'm not going to do the steps, but it's going to lead you to the installation. And now it'll open up something called Visual Studio Installer. Now just click yes, then this should come up. Now Visual Studio Installer is the installer which installs the components of Visual Studio. I have already downloaded it. There'll be already, you won't have this screen, but you might have this screen. Just a second. You will come directly to this screen. Now Visual Studio counts them as workloads. So for C++ we need some things, and not only C++, we might even start learning Unreal Engine. I might teach you that. So you can just click this, and then you can click these two. They are the core C++ ones, and it will automatically install Visual Studio. If you want to you really want to be specific, like Android NDK, SDK, these all you have already installed. But if you want to be more specific, then you can use this, but I don't recommend that. And if you want to work in a different language, you can use this too. So next, now click the button install, and it should start installing. It'll take a bit of a while because it's a really big file for C++, and then the Visual Studio itself is 600 MB. Now you must have Visual Studio installed now. So now I'm going to teach you a bit. So just create a new project for now. Windows 32 console application for right now. Visual C++. Make sure this is Visual C++, not C# or Basic or something. JavaScript also we are going to learn, but we might use it in this. So now click Windows 32 console application. Name it, let's say, first intro. Let's say that. Okay, this is, and then click OK. It's gonna say this. Next, as you are a new person, from next onwards, from when I start teaching you C++, you should keep it empty. It'll help you learn the basics of functions and all that. Okay, so now just click finish. It will load up the project for us. Let it load. Now here, as you can see, I have customized the theme right now. You might not be able to see this or some other things like, okay, now as you can see, it has created many projects. Now if you want to customize the theme like me, just click options, and now in the here there will be an text editor section, and C++, and and just a second, where was it? Yep, fonts and colors here. Just click on it, just see what you want to do. Right now you won't understand much, but once you have got the basics of C++, you will get it. So like enums, namespaces, etc., parameters, etc. So go on. Now I'm also going to teach you how to just write the simple hello world application using C++, but I'm going to explain it more in detail after in the next C++ lesson. So to do that, just say hash include. As you can see, it automatically says to include. Just click tab, it'll do it for you. Now do the less than symbol, it'll automatically fill in the greater than symbol. Then type in IO stream. Again tab, that's it. Now right now you just have to do using std 2 colons and cout command output, just two less than symbols, and just say, let's say hello world to end line endl. Oh sorry, rather than that std 2 colons endl. Now to run it, you can press Ctrl F5 or go to the debug option, start without debugging. It should, if there is no exception, say hello world here. Congratulations, you typed in the first hello world program. In the next C++ tutorial, I am going to explain what is going on there. Okay, code on.